crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. I am so glad to be back in my craft room after all of the wedding planning and festivities are now over, and I have also redone my craft room. I'll have a video of that coming up pretty soon. I wanted to kick off my first video for the month of November with a challenge that's going on in the Paper Bee Creative Designs Facebook group. And you have a chance to win a free kit if you'll go over to the Paper Bee. I'll have the link in the description box where you can find her Facebook group. You can find all the information for this challenge. The challenge is to create a mini book. There's no exact sizes or dimensions, so think of it as what is mini to you. Do you normally create bigger books? If you do, anything smaller would be considered mini. So just challenge yourself to create something mini. For my challenge, I am using the Paper Bees kit. It's a new one she's got out, Frost Witch. I will have the link in the description box where you can grab this on her Etsy or her Ko-fi page. And now for my little booklet, I'm going to zoom in. Hope you can see this. It's kind of tiny. The book measures 3/4 of an inch wide by 1 inch tall. It is a sewn-in signature. I created the cover with just some of this plum cardstock, and I distressed the edges with old paper, distress ink. I printed the whole kit, Frost Witch, using the thumbnail size print on my computer, and it gave the perfect dimensions for this little book. I used one of the images on the front cover and on the back. Open it up and we'll do a little flip through. Again, I've sewn this signature in with just some embroidery floss. I fussy cut out all the little embellishments and the pockets. I'm going to grab some tweezers here because I don't know that I can get these out and show them on camera super well. But the bookmarks and journaling cards do come out of the pockets. And this is a journaling card here. This is one of the little coin envelope embellishments in the kit, and it does open up. Used one of the images there to decorate the page. I used a tag here to create a little flip out. Some washi tape here, more images decorating the pages. Created the little double stack pocket here with a tag that comes out, and a really tiny mini tag here that does come out. Got some journaling if you can write that small. Added a little more decorative washi here. That's where the center of the signature is, where I've sewn that in with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. A little more washi. Another pocket here with a journaling card that does come out. Pocket here with a little bookmark that does come out. Did a little flip here of an envelope. Attach that to the other side. Another pocket here with a journaling card. And a corner tuck pocket on the back cover with the bookmark that comes out, and another little journaling card that comes out. I am going to take some pictures, some still pictures, and I'll insert them here so that hopefully you can see the little book a little bit better, because I'm not sure how well this focused since it is so tiny. And I hope y'all have enjoyed this little mini booklet. And do be sure to go over to the Paper Bees Facebook group and join in on the challenge. Check out what all the design team members have done for their challenge for this and what everybody in the Facebook group is creating. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.